It's breakfast time and you want something healthy, tasty, but have done no prep work. Happens with me all the time. Does it ring a bell? On days like this Moong Dal Usli comes to the rescue. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 cup of moong dal. Make sure to rinse it with enough amount of water at least 3 times. Now soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I usually use this time to make dough and prep and chop vegetables. Heat about 2 teaspoons of oil in a pot. You can use any neutral tasting oil or coconut oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, a teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We are going to let this sizzle, but of course cover it with a lid so as not to get the kitchen dirty. Let's add the rest of the ingredients now. Add about 4 curry leaves followed by about 2 green chilies. You may vary the spice level. Also add about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, which is optional, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir fry for about a minute. Now add the soaked moong dal. We soak the dal so that it cooks faster. Now add salt to taste. We are also going to add about 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. If using frozen fresh, make sure that it is thawed completely. The coconut is optional. We are going to give this a good mix first. This will also help us estimate how much more water we may need so as to cook the dal. I'm going to now add water. The water level should be above the moong dal. Ensure that all of the dal is submerged under the water. I'm going to go ahead and add little bit of more water. Do not add too much water because everything turns into a froth and starts spilling. Cover with the lid and we are going to let it cook for about 10 minutes. As the dal is cooking, some amount of froth will form and it will start pushing the lid. At this point, open it, give it a good stir, and then we are going to cover it and cook it again. But this time we are going to close the lid about 90%. So that way the steam has enough room to escape and it does not turn into a frothy mess. At the 10-minute mark, we are going to open the lid and check on the dal. You will see that the water must have dried up a little bit, but if you still think that the dal is not cooked completely and it needs more water, add a little bit of more water at this point. Again, we are going to close the lid and cook for about 5 more minutes. Again, remember the 90% rule. Now, at the end of the 15-minute mark, we are going to open it and check on the dal. The water would have dried up. I'm going to go ahead and switch off the flame because my dal is all cooked. But you can also use your fingers to check if the dal is cooked to your desired tenderness. Also check the seasonings at this point. Our usli is now ready. Look. Serve this usli with roti, chapati or fulka, or eat it just by itself with a salad on the side. Eating healthy does not have to compromise on the taste. Enjoy your traditional foods. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.